We're at Yarra Bay Sailing Club. We're located in Phillip Bay, right on the beach here. Beautiful sand and beautiful water that overlooks Yarra Bay. The Sailing Club has been established for quite a long time, and we've recently looked to just make some upgrades and recent additions to new furniture and sort of new bar upgrades as well. We have 16-foot sailing, goes out every Sunday, and they compete every week, championships across Sydney against other sailing clubs. We have junior sailors all the way through to senior sailors, and it's been a long established tradition here at the club, and will continue to be in the future. I think all parents at the moment are looking to try and find things to do to get their kids out and active, and this plays a very special part in that. It's an amazing area, and the facilities we have here at Yarra Bay Sailing Club are second to none. This is our main auditorium where we have live music and bands on. We have our main lounge area to my right hand side. Behind me you'll see a sea salt restaurant run by Yanni and the boys. And downstairs soon to open is our beach bar. We had a look online. A lot of the feedback here is that it is a beautiful place, great location. However, the club itself was looking a little bit old and a little bit tired and a little bit outdated. What we wanted to do was sort of turn that around. We needed to make our bar facilities a lot more attractive. We needed to make our furniture and a lot more attractive, because when people walk in, we want them to see this beautiful outlook, but we also want them to look around the place and say, geez, wow, this is really nice. And furniture is very much one of them, and you do see that return on investment. I think quality was probably one of the things that we were on top of our list. I know a number of venues that will sacrifice quality for price and just have consistent turnaround with their furniture on a regular basis. However, for us, that probably wasn't what we were looking for. What we did want to look for was good quality furniture that was going to last. Dealings with Nextrend were great. They were fantastic from the first sort of moment that I put an inquiry in about a quote. James and the team pretty much jumped on it, and it wasn't, it was a day or two before James was out here and we were discussing our plans. It was only a couple of days after that then we received a floor plan and some concept plans, and it was a real enjoyable process, I must admit. We were in a position where we wanted to move fast, and we were in a position that we wanted to make some great decisions, and we wanted some good quality furniture, and that's what we got.